Myself 𝗘𝗍. I am studying 8th standard in 𝗧𝗦𝗔𝗧 Government High School in 𝗘𝗍𝗺𝗃𝗃 in Nalgonda district. Today I am here, so I am so proud to be here for the state level competitions. I am so excited for that also. And today I am here to share my opinion about drug addiction. First, what is a drug? Drug is a chemical substance that affects the people, and also drugs are not good for our health also. It also distract the people it changes the people into their moods and their consequences. The drugs substances like cocaine, gutka and ganjai etc. are very harmful our body, and also it destroys our health. What is our society was doing? Where are the youth? What are the youth are doing? Youth can change a world also. You have to remind it. Youth can change a world, and also generation, environment and the nature, and also for all of us. But youth are only addicting to drugs. Is it right? No. Why they are addicting to drugs? Because only for their enjoyment, their joys, just relaxation. Only for sometimes they get this relaxation and joy, not for total days, not for their permanent life. Please remind it. It is not for your permanent life. Okay? After your life will be very stillness. You have to remind it. Okay? Everyone should remind. Please, friends, I'm telling you, please avoid these drugs. They will destroy your lives. Please, my name is 𝗘𝗍. I'm telling you that. Please avoid them. They destroys your life. They spoil your lives. Okay? And also, I would like you to tell a slogan. It is, say yes to the life and say no to the drugs. Also, kills the drug before they kill it. Okay? And also, I would like to say this. Please, everyone should tell, say no to the drugs. Say no to the, are you telling? I think you all are telling that who was listening. Say no to the, and thank you very much, madam, for giving this very good opportunity, and also encouraging the students to participate in these programs, and also keep these programs like this, and students also get encouragement, and also they learn about social media.